Hello everyone, I'm Harris with WTI and I have this bag with the letter J. This bag is perfect if you want to give a gift or need one for some trips. I love that we can choose personalized option with a letter and I have the J. I also really like the amount of stuff it can hold. I have a trip to the beach with my family and this bag helped me get everything ready on time. As you can see, it fits everything I need for the beach, including some toys for my little brother. So I won't have any excuse for lack of space because everything is stored very well. Plus, it looks nice while I'm using it, and it doesn't look overstuffed. So I love it, especially that little one that makes it more chic. And this is my point of view.